Welcome to Bio Class. Today we'll discuss our environment, chapter 15, and this is here the last chapter. Our environment. Here we'll discuss about ecosystems and various other things. First of all, environment. Environment. This word, it is widely used in various places in biology and other than biology also. Uh, mm, if we get the meaning of it, then it is very difficult to understand sometimes. It is a sum total of abiotic and the biotic conditions influencing the response of the organism. Okay, so it is a total biotic also. It means the living organisms, all kind of the living organisms. Hmm. And abiotic, that which is there, the soil, air, water, and all other factors. It is also including in this, and the response of this two, that that is total, sum total. It's called environment. And in class 9 you have learned different that biogeochemical cycles, like nitrogen, carbon, oxygen, water, all these things. Here some specific and small chapter that we learn the different para. Suppose what happens when we add our waste to the environment. Okay, so this is the first topic. So let's discuss this one. Okay, what is waste? What is waste material? That waste material, simple it is that what we are throwing it outside, that is turns into waste. If that thrown things, it's add to that nature, it means that it is found in the nature, then we can say it is the waste. If anyone will use it, then it will be used. It means that waste that waste we are adding. What it can be very simple that everyone we can understand. Paper can be waste. Paper, we are using paper. So in all over the world, the maximum waste material is the paper. That is about the 40%. 40% that waste material, it is a paper. Second, it comes food and food waste. So food, the food is a very important. Food we are eating, food we are wasting also, and the different other things uh, that waste, that it also comes 7%. Actually, second, it comes into the plastic waste. The all everybody we are aware of it, that the plastic is the big waste, that is 20%. It is there. Then comes a glass here. Glass also 7%. And some metal can, that is there. Metal can is in India, it is less because we are not eating canned food, but in other part of the world, that it is there. Okay, and huge number of others, whatever left, that is in others. It means we cannot make it any category. That suppose your the pencil, if you are throwing it outside, if your remote control is not working, you are throwing it outside. Your computer mouse is not working, it's throwing it outside. That is also under waste. So waste material, it is that when we are not using it, that is, it turns into the waste. Now here we are making the category, the waste material. All the waste materials are not always harmful, and sometime it is it is useful also. Suppose here, if I say that the food and the plastics, the food waste it can be degraded and it can be used of some other animal, plant. But the plastic here, it cannot be degraded into mm, into nature, and show that it is not used by the organism. So there are two specific term here, the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable, that we have to check. So here is the waste material, that any dustbin, if you see, then you will get like this. You get the plastics, inside plastic something is there, and some other, many other thing, and anything it possible in this. In these waste, the every waste is not harmful. Okay. Why it is not harmful? Because we are having two different type of waste material. Here you can see this. This is the biodegradable, and here is the waste, that vegetable peel, banana peel, some other fruit. Here is a paper, here is a wood. All this the biodegradable, degraded by the biological organism, and these are the non-biodegradable, glass, plastic bag, and the can. Okay, so here biodegradable and non-biodegradable. What is the basic meaning of it? That if we can find it out here. Here if we see this biodegradable, it means that suppose this is the waste. This is the waste material. Waste material, when we are throwing it comes in the contact of the nature, and here the moisture, water, temperature, all everything is there, and you know that several bacteria and microorganisms also, I mean, it comes in contact. This microorganism, if with their enzyme, they can degrade means they can digest, they can turns into smaller part, turns into smaller part, and gradually it comes in the part of the environment, this things we can say that the biodegradable. Okay, so it means that it is degraded means digested or splitted or treated in such a way that it can be used by some other, used by the plant. It is a part of the soil. Okay, part of the okay, so this is called the biodegradable. And if it is not degraded by anything, suppose this waste is, here is the waste, and waste it comes, but water here, if we throw the plastic that not affect with water, moisture, temperature, bacteria and some other cannot do anything, so it is remains that if we keep it in 100 years, it will remain in this way only, and it will not degraded by the nature and not used by the nature. So if it is not degraded, it will be not used by the nature, and it creates the huge problem, and it is actually the waste material on earth. Okay, so here we can see some part that we can able to understand better. Look at here, the specific enzymes are needed for the breakdown of the particular substances. That is why we will not get any energy if we try to eat coal or plastic. Because of this, many human made materials like plastics will not be broken down by the action of the bacteria. It's a very important line that you have to, or other saprophytes. So these are non-biodegradable. Okay, just know that about biodegradable which term you may know, but exactly why it is called that you have to know. This material will act it upon the physical process like heat, the pressure. Okay, so but it can persist for the long time. Remember that substances that are broken down by biological process are said to be biodegradable. Okay, so biodegradable, non-biodegradable. If you think a little bit, then you can answer that this is biodegradable, this is non-biodegradable. Cotton, it is biodegradable. Plastic, it is non-biodegradable. Leather, it is biodegradable. So like this, the least you may get in several areas. Uh, some more thing I just want to add here, that is DDT, hexachlorobenzene, lead, arsenic, cadmium, all these materials. These are the chemicals, but these are non-biodegradable. So suppose here, here if we take this one, okay, suppose DDT. DDT, you know, the one pesticides. So DDT is non-biodegradable and it remains in nature. Suppose malathion, hexachlorobenzene. Hexachlorobenzene. This is non-biodegradable. And this many, the metal, the polythene, epoxy, the gum, this is non-biodegradable. It's under non-biodegradable. Now, little bit about the plastics. You know that plastics, it is non-biodegradable. But plastics only we can do that. That we can recycle. We can recycle. We can recycle means that this plastic again we can use something. If you check that any plastic toys, bottle, anything, will get this type of sign and some number is written. According to that, plastic is recycled. So if it is written 1, it means that normally plastic bottle, it can be recycled, but every plastic is not recyclable and not good plastic also. You can just check that here, number 3, it is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. This kind of plastics, it is not non-recyclable. So it is non-biodegradable, non-recyclable. So once we can made it, after that we cannot recycle also properly. And suppose here the polystyrene we are very popular, that thermocol plates, these we are using, and it is non-recyclable. So in picnic we are using it and we are throwing it in here and there, but this is we are making the huge non-biodegradable waste in nature. We should not do that. So here is a list, from that you will getting some idea that plastic which how much can use. Okay. So about the biodegradable, non-biodegradable, several substances it is given and you have to sort it out. This is not any difficult task. I mean, it's a easy one. Next part we will do ecosystems. Okay. Thank you.